So you can see that we, actually you can't see anything. Last night we were going along and had like 1 acre left in this field, and then all of a sudden the sickle bar right here just stopped moving, which I thought was really weird. And then I looked over and there was just smoke just pouring out around here, you know. So naturally I just shut everything off really quick, and I came down here and opened this up and saw that this belt was like, you know, completely rubbed, almost gone. So then I was like, okay, well, something is stopping that from moving. Well, this keeps moving and further, like, just burns the belt. And you can see little chunks of burnt belt. So I was like, well, this is really weird. Why is it doing that, you know? So then I started up carefully again and turned stuff on and was watching, and I could see the auger move. But then I realized I don't see the sickle moving back and forth. So then I came out here and was looking, and then I stumbled upon this guy. And I was like, oh, yeah, if that's wedged in there, then that can't, you know, that doesn't move. So that would explain the problem. And since how it was like 9 o'clock and Deere was closed, I'm sure. So I was just like, well, I guess we'll just deal with it this morning. So I got a new belt. I got a new hold down since this one is twisted and bent. And yeah, I guess we'll get her all fixed. So here we go.
Oh yeah.
Really?
Without a doubt. Without a doubt. Oh, I think it's the same.
Not Dad's gonna check them and be like, what are you guys doing? It's too wet.
Like, what the heck are you doing, you idiots?
Lawns.
It's not going to shell correctly. You're going to slug the combine.
Well, I guess we'll just slug it.
Probably all the above, other than maybe slugging it. I would highly doubt that, but who knows? But no. So we're sticking it through. Okay, what happened last night? Okay, guard broke. Sickle section broke. Ooh.
The sickle section broke, got a wedge between a hold down, and then the sickle wouldn't move, and then all of a sudden there's a whole bunch of white smoke coming out of there. So then I turned the key off immediately, walked out the catwalk, pulled the fire
You even got the
extinguisher.
fire extinguisher out.
Yeah.
Nice.
And then, yeah. And then I realized that we're pretty much done for the night.
Yeah. And that was as I was headed home, trying to get the fuel cell over here. Because we were running low on fuel.
It was very low. Like there weren't any bars left on the fuel gauge. It was completely empty. Like I was afraid, okay, any minute now it's just gonna like stop.
Right. So last night that belt broke with less than an acre to go. Pretty close. And that kind of sucked because we were planning on when we got done, you know, we'd be able to dump what was on the combine, dump what was on the grain cart into the semi, and then we could move the combine and combine and grain cart over and possibly even get started a little bit on my field, which is about 70 acres. But the machine had other plans. Okay, so you've got a full dump in the grain cart, right? And then you've got maybe somewhere between 50 and 100 bushel back here. You're probably going to come out mid-50s. I already did the math. Yep. Well, didn't you said you got a
68.
you got a dump?
Yeah, and then some.
Oh, and then some. Yeah, so you might be right with what the iPad says.
That's it.
Well, yes, maybe above that. I don't know, but it's close. It's better than that thing, but the Green Star says like 53. And the other one says 59, and I think it's going to be closer to the 59. So, anyway, we're going to be moving here pretty quick. And Dad showed up just in time to run the grain cart for today, and obviously to help us move, too. So you found that?
I saw it come out of the machine.
You saw it come out the back of the machine? Okay. Looks like iron to me, maybe hand forged. It's something old. Anybody know what it is?
Yeah.
Everything looks fine in the back. Everything looks good.
I
Huh.
saw it kick out right there and land. Well, that's more than a corn stalk, so whatever. We'll have to put that on the wall.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
Put that on the wall. Did you see where if it struck anything? I mean, if it would have struck anything on the sickle, it would have
This
ruined
it's been
something.
sitting there for a while, somewhere, rubbing on
Yeah. It looks like
it.
it.
And that, like, good.
Wow. Right.
Who knows what that is?
Well, it looks like it could have broke off. Another chunk broke off right there because that's all bare metal. Or right there.
One there.
Great. Should we open up the rock trap?
Yeah, isn't the rock trap supposed to catch stuff like this?
Yeah, what the hell?
What the heck?
Well, that's always fun.
Hey, I only broke 2 guards yesterday.
Yeah, but you broke like 3 or 4 the day
Shut
before
up.
that. Yeah. That doesn't count. Okay.
he wanted me to record, so that was me recording. Oh my goodness, this is really hard to do one-handed. I can't.
5 hours later.
Blocking traffic. Nothing to see here.